Artificial intelligence is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems. Specific applications of AI include expert systems, natural language processing, speech recognition and machine vision. There is a lot of anxiety about robots taking over and leading to our society's eventual doom. But creative director and founder M.T. Smith thinks that this kind of thinking misses the point. There is an enormous opportunity in front of us to leverage artificial intelligence to improve our lives. This podcast series will explore the many ways currently available to use artificial intelligence to grow your bank account. It will also reveal hacks, tips, and methods that can be used to make working with everyday artificial intelligence much more fun. For additional information, you can visit aipassivewealth.com. Enjoy the podcast.
Making money with deepfakes. Much is currently being discussed and written about the dangers of the new deepfake technology. Are there any positive benefits to using this technology? And how can someone use this technology to actually make money online? First, let's define deepfakes. Deepfakes are synthetic media in which a person in an existing image or video is replaced with someone else's likeness. Deepfakes use deep learning artificial intelligence to replace the likeness of one person with another in video and other digital media. There are concerns that deepfake technology can be used to create fake news and misleading counterfeit videos. The main machine learning methods used to create deepfakes are based on deep learning and involve training generative neural network architectures, such as autoencoders or generative adversarial networks. There are several benefits to deepfake technology. This process can save editing time in film production. These include being able to go back and change the dialogue in a video or movie without the need for a reshooting. Entire videos can be created just by selecting from a menu of presenters and entering the script. Deceased actors Peter Cushing and Carrie Fisher were both brought back to life for Star Wars movies. Visitors to the Dalí Museum in St. Petersburg, Florida get a rare treat. They are greeted by a life-size screen video of the great Spanish surrealist Salvador Dalí. A UK-based charity used deepfake technology to create a video of David Beckham delivering an anti-malaria message in 9 languages. And AI avatars are being used in corporate training videos. During the pandemic, many studios halted filming. But during that time, actor Bruce Willis licensed his deepfake for a series of Russian cell phone ads. Megafon utilized the face-generating technology to digitally put Bruce Willis' face over another actor in the marketing campaign. The image used was from Bruce Willis as the Die Hard character, although Russia Beyond writes that the amount paid for the licensing was kept private. Russian advertising market experts estimate this payment could be between $1 and $2 million. Earning up to a couple of $1 million for acting work you don't show up to perform is quite an accomplishment. There is a link to the commercial in this podcast show notes. How to detect a deepfake video. Often the edges of these video images are blurry. One of the weak spots for the tech is where someone's face and neck meet their body. You will often see the face go in and out of focus. The primary focus of the deepfake technology is exchanging the face. This face swapping workflow consists of 3 basic steps. 1. Extraction, chop up a video into frames, detect faces in each frame, and output well-aligned, tightly cropped images of each face. 2. Training, use these extracted images to train a deepfake neural network, one that can take in an image of one person's face and output an image of the other person's face with the same pose, expression, and illumination. 3. Conversion, apply the model trained in the last step to a specific video, producing a deepfake. Once the model is trained, it can be applied to any video containing the specific people it was trained on. Now you may be thinking that deepfakes are good news for high-paid Hollywood actors. But how does a regular person profit from it legally? There are gig sites online that have freelancers who will make deepfake videos of friends and family members doing heroic things for a fee. The popular open-source software for learning how to make deepfakes is a Windows program called Deepfakes Lab. This software program allows its users to learn and understand the technology better. It uses deep learning, machine learning, and human image synthesis. FaceSwap is another open-source multi-platform software that is free to use. A list of other deepfake apps and websites includes Zao, Deepfakes Web, Wombo, Reface, DeepArt, and FaceApp. A final word about legality. It is not illegal to create deepfake videos. You must state that you are explicitly depicting them as deepfake videos. This means that you are not using them to mislead or commit fraud. The key here is to ensure you have the subject's permission. Until next time.
Are you looking for real remote work that can be done from anywhere that doesn't involve surveys or making phone calls? YourHappyClients.net experienced healthy growth this past year, and they need more remote workers immediately. You will be paid for tasks that you complete, and this position does not involve any type of surveys or telephone work. You get to create the work schedule that you want. And one of the best parts is that there are no upfront fees. Do you speak English? Have good typing skills? Have access to the internet? Then go to YourHappyClients.net right now. You can also call 410-234-2004. 410-234-2004. YourHappyClients.net. Now you can work from any place around the world.